ready to go ahead out to tour the apartment. Listen, because it's giving 90s vibes. I got you know, but yeah, this is the complete look for the day. So hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another day in my life vlog. As y'all know, we are doing a moving vlog series, y'all, and I'm super excited because we are getting ready to go ahead out to tour the apartment another time. The first time we went to go look at the loft, we saw like 5 apartments, and so we just weren't sure exactly which one, but we kind of remember because they had this really good detail that we just loved. However, we still want to go back, kind of take a look at it, do measurements, you know, get a good feel for it, honey, because time is winding down, y'all, and I'm super excited that we are moving into our dream home. Like, this is just so amazing. So I just wanted to come open up the vlog, also give you guys a quick OOTD. My roots are really growing in, y'all, so I threw on a cap with this look. I'm not really rocking any jewelry or anything like that, honey. The fit is the fit. But I got this bodysuit from Temu. Yeah, this bodysuit is from Temu. I picked up like this really cute Letterman jacket, y'all, from Fashion Nova. These jeans here, I picked these up from Burlington. Y'all, they are so comfortable. I love like a barrel leg, kind of wide leg jean. And then I just have them on with these little shoes here that I picked up off of Temu. I'm also rocking it with these shades today. I know it's a little cloudy, but I'm not really wearing any makeup. And sometimes when I'm not wearing makeup, like got my blush and all of that on, honey, we just, you know, we just trying to, you know. But yeah, this is the complete look for the day. So yeah, y'all, just wanted to come open up the vlog, let you guys know what we are about to get into. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the Uber. Yeah, you know how he is when we get ready to leave. He try to go and hide in the bedroom, yeah, but you gotta make sure you keep an eye out on that there Jasper.
11 minutes.
11 minutes?
Jeep Wrangler.
Okay, they might change that.
But who can you call?
Hello.
Hi. Sorry about the
Something
confusion.
about the way that you talk to me.
I thought I was pressing.
Even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Take with your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy.
Hey guys, so we
I need
have
you.
made it back home from our little apartment tour. We just needed a quick little sneak peek of everything, you guys, and let me tell you, it is so much better even than we expected it to be. Like, y'all, it is just so amazing. So I'm not going to give you guys a full apartment tour right now, of course, right? We have not moved in, but I figure I'll go ahead and just insert a quick little sneak peek for you guys so that you can just, you know, get a little bit of insight on the luxury loft that we are moving into. You guys, it is exquisite. It is so beautiful. Like, I am obsessed with it. Like, I am going to have so much fun buying home decor for this apartment, interior designing this apartment, and y'all know it's gonna be affordable, honey. But I'm gonna tell you right now, some things may be a little bit of a penny, but other things, you know, we're gonna try to shop as affordable as I possibly can for our new apartment. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna be shopping for our new apartment and stuff, honey. It's gonna just be so much fun. But we have made it back home. We're about to eat. Babe have some Polish and fries in the air fryer. I have a chicken fajita salad that we're about to eat. And we're a little late to the party, but we are about to watch, what you say is Final Destination? Yeah, we're about to watch Final Destination. I forgot which number it is at this point, child, but the last one. So yeah, I just wanted to check back in with you guys, give you guys a sneak peek. Let me give you one more little sneak peek. Yes, isn't it gorgeous? I know you didn't see a lot. I know it's not a lot, but trust me, it is well worth the wait when you guys actually see it, because it is just so beautiful and I can't wait to show it to you guys. But we are about to relax, have my white Zinfandel right here, sit back, relax, and I am going to chit chat back with you guys when we have a little bit more going on and I just, you know, cozy home vibes.
That's so amazing.
Yeah, she all look. My salad, it is so delicious. Just chicken thighs cut up and fajita seasoning, lettuce, cheese, pico, ranch, and also spicy chipotle sauce.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Day in My Life vlog. Y'all, Babe and I are actually about to get ready to go out to dinner for a cute little winter date night, honey. So it's this Italian restaurant here in St. Louis. We have this place called The Hill. Now, it's really cutesy, really nice for like date nights and things like that. It's an Italian type district. So they have a lot of Italian restaurants, y'all. And we have been hearing so many things about Mamas on the Hill. So that is where we are going tonight for date night, y'all. And I just wanted to come and let y'all know what we were about to get into, give y'all a quick OOTD of the night, OOTN. And it's nothing really too crazy. I just have on my Italo earrings, then I have on my Ana Luisa, is it Ana Luisa? Mm-hmm. Ana Luisa necklace. It's a herringbone, y'all. I love this. I love my outfit because it's giving 90s vibes. I got this Izod, right? Or is it Champs? Champs. I got this Champs sweater, y'all, from the thrift store, and I love it. It is just so nice, so comfortable. And then I'm just rocking it with my Michael Kors watch, Coach bracelet, Tonya Latrice bracelet. And yeah, and then these jeans that I have on, I actually picked these up off of Fashion Nova, y'all. They are so comfortable and really, really long. So if I still have the link for them, I will leave them down below. But y'all, they are very nice, very stretchy as well. So we love that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the rest of my things, and I'm sure I'm gonna insert a few full OOTN pictures for you guys or videos for y'all. But yeah, honey, Babe and I are about to finish getting ready. And then I'm going to catch y'all in the Uber.
Through dropping fire, natural disasters. My baby is blue. Angel be falling, angel be calling. None of that could ever make me. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feels like
You guys, we have arrived to the restaurant. Uber driver almost passed it up, but we're about to go in.
Guys, how you doing?
Oh, wow.
Why 11 on Sundays? That's crazy. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the daily vlog. You guys, just finished working out, got up this morning, wrote in my journals and everything, but I wanted to come and give you guys a really quick recap of the restaurant that we went to last night. So again, it was called Mama's on the Hill, you guys, and let me tell you, it is small, okay? On the inside. So if you plan on going, I'm definitely gonna say probably don't dress up too much because you won't have a lot of moving around room, wiggle room to try to get to your seat and everything like that because it's pretty congested. It kind of looks like they turned it into like an old house into a restaurant, which so it gives it like a real homey feel. So I do love that. But y'all, the authentic Italian food, baby, it was so good. Okay, they are home of the original toasted raviolis, so they make them from scratch, you guys. The sauce from scratch, mozzarella. Well, actually, I think they used a different type of cheese, but cheese sticks from scratch, y'all. They were so delicious. Okay, and I got the pasta con broccoli and I added shrimp to it. It was actually okay. I feel like, I guess for me, I feel like they could have cooked the noodles a little bit longer. So although the sauce and everything was good, the shrimp was good. You could tell the shrimp was fresh. The food was delicious. And baby got the baked lasagna, y'all. Her lasagna was delicious. Now, one thing I will say about that lasagna, baby, they pack on the lasagna noodles. It was like 5 thick layers, y'all, of just noodles. And then like the sauce, the cheese, and everything. But nevertheless, the food was good. The sauce was good. You could tell they used like real ingredients. You could tell somebody is back there hand making this food. So it was so good. And then we had, what I have to drink? I had a Manhattan, very strong. Had to get a Pepsi to kind of mix with it. And then baby got the old fashioned. Yeah, baby got an old fashioned. So yeah, y'all. But last night was very nice. You know, we just wanted to go out and celebrate because we had so much to celebrate coming into 2026. Baby getting her new promotion, well, going to a new job and also a higher ranking one, honey. Okay. And then moving into our dream home. We are so excited about that. I did give y'all a little sneak peek of us, you know, mini apartment tour earlier in the video. Like I said, I will be doing a full apartment tour on that loft when we do move in. But yeah, y'all, it's so funny because when we went to go look at it, it just looked so much bigger than the first time that we saw it. And y'all already know, honey, your decorating on the budget queen cannot wait to get her hands on that that place, y'all, to start decorating. And so I am so excited about that. But I did want to share something with you guys really quickly. I feel like 2025 was a really big manifestation year for myself, for my household, and also for my wife. And something that we really dived really deep into last year was journaling. So I have this gratitude journal here. Babe actually got me this last year. Was it last year or last Christmas? The Christmas before last. And this is a really good, it's like a guided gratitude journal. So on the inside, it shows you, you know, it asks you different things like today's focus. You know, you get to write down what are your focuses for today to kind of really help you set goals and set like a to-do list. Love that. It also has an affirmation for today's section. So you can just kind of write like, I am beautiful, I am strong, I am not going to take this from anybody today type affirmations. And it also has a what I am grateful for. Now, this is one of my favorite sections of this journal because we have so many things to be grateful for. And I think sometimes you don't really realize it until you write it down. And baby, I'm talking about grateful for the roof over your head, grateful for the food that you ate today, not just grateful for like big things like promotions or like your car or, you know, anything like that, but, you know, grateful for your health, grateful for your family, grateful for that your family is healthy. You know, just so many things like that you can go ahead and jot down right there. And as you can see, you have several pages, child, so you can just write every day something different that you are grateful for. I love that. It also has in here what I'm excited about today, which is another one of my favorite sections. You kind of get to curate, like create your own little day of happiness, right? You get to say, you know, I'm excited about starting my new weight loss journey. I'm excited about writing in my journal. I'm excited about going to the thrift store. I'm excited about starting my new job. I'm excited about so many different things. Even if you're just excited to relax, you are excited to finally catch up on your Netflix series. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Just, you know, make sure that you are putting gratitude out into the world every single day, because you got to let God know he listening, he watching, he want to know, are you grateful? Are you grateful for the blessings that I gave you? So let him know. And then the last one on here for the morning meditation is how I'll make space for gratitude today. And that is also another amazing way to kind of guide you, because what are you grateful for today? Like, are you grateful for waking up this morning? Just little things. Like I said, it doesn't have to be anything too crazy. Just write down what you are grateful for. And another one of the ones that I love, baby got me this one also, and I actually have seen this one on so many different people's channels. I know this one lady that I watch on YouTube, her name is Jazz Turner. She also writes in this book every day, and she's like a really big glow up journey type of girly. That's what her content revolves around on her channel. And but I did have this before I saw it on her channel, but she has it also. And it's the 5-minute journal. Now, you guys, this one is good. Okay, it actually gives you get to write on the inside the dates. Any cute little note that you want to write yourself also is really cute. And like this one here says, a happy life. Girl, hold on. Oh, yeah, I'm not wearing my glasses. Hold on. A happy life consists of tranquility in the mind. I would agree with that 100%. And this one is pretty much guided also. It says, what I'm grateful for, what could make today great. It's a little similar to the other book. It also has an area for your daily affirmations. And at the bottom, you get to put down the highlight of your day, like what really stood out to you, like what you want to kind of maybe highlight for that day. And also what I learned today, because, you know, it's never too late to learn. It doesn't matter if it's something very small. Babe and I love to do things like watch trivia on YouTube, just of like random things, girl, like what is the capital of Greece, and just all sorts of, girl, random knowledge, honestly, that, you know, sometimes it's just good to kind of know. But I just wanted to share these with you guys in case you are looking for a journal or to do more meditation or anything like that. Talk more to yourself about affirmations. These guided journals are really good, and they have really helped me out in regards to direction and, you know, knowing what to be grateful for and like writing down and being able to see it myself. So yes, girl, I just wanted to close the vlog out with that's the tea talk with Tonya today. Telling you guys to be grateful for everything that comes your way. We're going to definitely dive more into gratitude and talking about gratitude on the channel in 2026, because I don't think we really talked about it enough. But I also wanted to show you guys, you know, pretty much everything that we had, that you are going to be seeing in 2026 are things that we have really prayed for in 2024 and in 2025. But the seed, baby, the seed was planted years ago. So definitely think about that as well. But anywho, just wanted to come wrap up this daily vlog, let y'all know. Don't forget, if you're looking for a journal, go pick one of these up. I'll be sure to leave them linked down in the description box. They are on Amazon. So yeah, y'all, until next time, I will see y'all in the next vlog. Love y'all. Bye.